kindergartners! Happy Monday! This week we're going to be continuing practicing our addition and subtraction. And to get started, we're going to go ahead and do this sprint. So what I want you to do is put your name on the back and you're going to leave it on the table. And then I'm going to say, ready, set, go. And you're going to answer the questions. So we have some addition questions. And what you're going to do is it would be a good idea to maybe, it says 2 plus 1. So maybe you draw 2 dots and then one more dot, and then you tell me how many all together in this square, okay? All right, so go ahead and put your name on the back, okay? And put it on your table. And when I say go, we're going to flip it over. When my timer goes off, we're going to stop and put your pencil away, okay? And then your parent or whoever is with you doing homework with you, you can have them count to see how many you got right, okay? All right. All right, kindergartners. Ready, set, go. All right, kindergartners, put down your pencils, and then your adult can count how many you got right and put it in that little box at the top, okay? Right up here. All right. All right, kindergartners, today I need you to have 10 manipulatives. I have 10 teddy bears here, but even Lincoln cubes or pennies or something, you just need 10. You need this template, lesson 31 template that has a number equation at the bottom. And then you're going to need a dry erase marker to get started today. All right, so we're going to get started and we're going to write more number sentences today. And you can use your counters or your manipulatives on your desk. First, I want you to listen to my story, okay? And then we'll show it with our counters. So let's listen. 6 bears were walking in the forest. So let's show 6 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bears were walking in the forest. 3 more bears came to walk with them. So let's show 3 more bears. 3 more bears. We want to know how many bears were walking in the forest all together. So how many bears do you think? Well, we started with 6 bears. We added 3 more, and now we can count to see how many altogether. So let's write a number sentence about that. So first we had how many bears? 6. So we're going to put a 6. This plus sign means we're going to join them together. So we have to have another part. So we have 6. And how many joined them? 3. Now this equal sign, remember, means all together. So now we're going to count all of these bears. So we know there's 6. So let's count on 7, 8, 9. 9. Go ahead and write a 9 for me. All right. So that's how we know. 6 was a part. 3 was a part. Altogether, there are 9. We put a 9 in here because after the equal sign, that tells us how many bears all together. All right, so let's listen to another story, okay? So go ahead, clear your bears off, erase your number sentence. Here we go. This time there were 3 bears sleeping. So I'm going to put them laying down so I know they're sleeping. And there were 7 bears playing. So go ahead and count out 7 bears. I'm going to put them in a little circle over here. Oop. There you go. 7 bears playing. We want to know how many bears were there all together. So let's see if we can write a number sentence. So first we know there were 3 bears sleeping. So that's going to be one of our parts. And how many bears are over here? 7 bears are playing. So we're going to put a 7. So 3 bears and 7 bears makes how many bears all together? Let's count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to go ahead and put a 10 here. 10 bears. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay? We're going to do another one. So go ahead and wipe off your board and clear it off. Here we go. All right. I'm going to let you try this problem and see if you can figure it out, okay? So listen to my story carefully, all right? If you don't want to use your bears, because we're not going to be talking about bears anymore, and you want to just draw a picture, you can draw a picture on your mat up here, okay? Listen carefully. Maggie had 4 pennies. Her mom gave her 5 more pennies. How many pennies does Maggie have now? So let's draw this out. Maggie has 4 pennies. So how many are we going to draw first? 4 pennies. I'm just going to draw 4 little circles. She has 4 pennies. Then her mom gave her 5 more. I'm going to leave some space so I know over here these are the ones her mom gave her. She gave her 5 more. So I'm going to draw 5 more pennies. They want to know how many pennies does Maggie have altogether. So we have 4 pennies. And this plus means we're going to join them together. She got more pennies. It says her mom gave her 5 more. So we know this is 5. So we're going to write 5. This equal sign means all together. So now we're going to count all of the pennies. Okay, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pennies. Okay, so how many pennies does Maggie have? Yes, 9 pennies. All right. Let's read our number sentence. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So 4 pennies and 5 more pennies makes 9 pennies. All right, we're going to erase. This is going to be the last one we're going to do, okay? Go ahead and erase. All right, here we go. See if we can draw a picture to go with this one. John had 2 circle magnets. So what shape is a circle? That's right, it's brown. We're going to draw 2 of them. He has 2 circle magnets. And 8 square magnets. 8 square magnets. So let's make 8 square magnets. How many magnets does John have altogether? See if you can come up with our number sentence. I'm going to give you some time. If you need to pause the video, you can. All right, let's see. So John has 2 circle magnets and 8 square magnets. So how many does he have altogether? I know 8, 9, 10. He has 10 magnets. Let's read this. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Or we could say 2 circle magnets and 8 square magnets makes 10 magnets all together. Good job, kindergartners. All right, kindergartners, for today's homework, we have some problems that you are going to do, and you're going to do exactly what we were just doing, drawing a picture to go with it and writing the number sentence. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the problems, and then you can pause the video and draw in your picture and figure it out. It says, Zane had 6 round crackers. Remember, round means it's that continuous curve, so it's like a circle, okay? He had 6 round crackers and 3 square crackers. If you want to pause the video and draw, go ahead. It says, how many crackers did Zane have in all? So after we've drawn our picture, I want you to write your number sentence to go with it. And remember, this equal sign means how many altogether. Our next one says, Riley had 9 crayons. Ooh, she has 9 crayons. So go ahead and draw 9 crayons. If you need to pause the video, you can. Then it says, her friend gave her 1 crayon. So if her friend gave her 1 crayon, are we going to take away or draw another one? Yeah, we're going to draw another crayon. So you're going to go ahead and draw 1 more crayon, and then you're going to write your number sentence to tell us how many she had all together. It says, how many crayons did Riley have in all? When you're done, you can go ahead and flip to the back, and we have some more story problems. For this one, you're going to need a red and a purple crayon. Listen carefully. It says, Jenny had 3 red and 7 purple pieces of construction paper. So she had 3 red pieces of paper and she had 7 purples. How many pieces of construction paper did Jenny have altogether? It says, write a number sentence to match. Kindergartners, did they give us a place to fill in? No, they want you to write your number sentence independently. So we're going to write 3 red pieces plus 7 purple pieces equals how many pieces of construction paper? And then our next one says Rhett had 5 square blocks. So we're going to draw 5 square blocks. His friend gave him 4 rectangle blocks. So you're going to draw 4 rectangle blocks. How many blocks did Rhett have all together? They didn't give us a number sentence, a blank number sentence. So you're going to have to figure out how to write the whole number sentence independently, all right? All right, kindergartners, I hope you have a good Monday and we'll see you back here tomorrow.